Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is installing the sound deadening material, and before I do that I want to take a couple before and after clips of the metal and what it sounds like. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. Okay, first you want to start by ensuring that your surface is nice and clean. Then you're going to go ahead and line up your backing and see where you're going to go ahead and want to stick it. Okay, once you got the material laid down, we're going to go ahead and take the roller and we're going to start rolling the material.
If you ride with me, gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Gotta hurt in the love. In the name of 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 love.
Alright guys, so I want to install this piece right back there, but it doesn't really fit. So instead of just gonna throw it back behind here and then kind of position it to where you want it to sit. So just fold it down into this corner. Then I take my pick and I scribe a line in the corner and then kind of follow it down.
Gotta work for the both of us. I put you in the driver's seat. Gotta hurt in the name of love. 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 In the name of love.
Alright guys, and that's going to wrap it up for today's video. This is after one 36 square foot box of material. I definitely do think it made a difference. It definitely sounds quieter to me. You guys can be the judge. But yeah, I'm going to order one more box and I'm going to do the firewall and the floor pans and the trunk. And then we'll do another sound clip and kind of let you guys judge it. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe, and until next time, peace out.